So the T formula, what is the T formula? The T formula is the substitution T is equal to tan of x over 2. You see, it brings in the half angle. We have not talked about the half angle, but the sine of x of 2x is 2 cos x sine x. Okay, so if x is maybe a over 2 or 2x is a, then sine of a is 2 sine of a over 2 cos a over 2. We have talked about the double angle, so if we put these half angles, it can also work. So this is the half angle. This one is also half angle in terms of cos. So those are the expressions for the sine, the cos, and the tan in half angle. Now let's look at this t is equal to tan x over 2. If the tan of a over 2 is t, okay, it means it is t over 1, then we can locate that angle a over 2 on a quadrant. If that angle a over 2 is there, the opposite is t, the adjacent is 1, the hypotenuse is 1 plus t squared square root. You can consult Pythagoras for that. That means the sine of a over 2 is t over the square root of 1 plus t squared, and the cos of a over 2 is t, no, it's 1 adjacent over the square root of 1 plus t squared. So basically, the T formula, we are going to substitute sine a over 2 where you see it, cos a over 2 where you see it, and then we try to simplify and obtain values in terms of t as follows. Sine a should be 2 into sine a over 2 cos a over 2. This should multiply 2t, then the denominator half times a half plus a half in terms of powers is 1, so the square root disappears on the denominator. You can see cos a is 1 over square root 1 plus t squared, which is cos a over 2, then sine a over 2. Okay, so this should be 1 squared over that, and then t squared over the same. Since the denominator is the same, we have squared it. Simple as that. One of the most famous importances of the T formula is to enable you to solve such a problem. The only thing we shall do is replace sine theta and cos theta with the expressions in terms of t. 1 minus t squared, 1 plus t squared, 2t, 1 plus t squared. You see? So, solve for t. You should have the values of theta.